In this tutorial, you will get to know how to set up the QUINT Power IODD in PLCnext Engineer. In a first step, please download the IODD on the Phoenix Contact website. To implement the power supply in your automation environment, we need the IODD file, which is in the IOLink device description. Search for the product on the Phoenix Contact website. You will find the device description under Downloads. The IODD file is in a zip folder. Now extract the files of the zip folder. To import the IODD file, please open PLCnext Engineer. To generate a project, choose the correct PLC that you also use in practice. In this case, Phoenix Contact AxioLine Controller 2152. After that, the PLC is automatically visible on top in the project structure on the left side in PLCnext Engineer. In the next step, you can search for an IOLink master in the component library on the right side. In this case, AXL SE IOL4. Drag it into the AxioLine F in the project structure on the left side. Free spaces in the AxioLine F, in this case 3, must be filled in with AXL SE SC modules. Search for AXL SE SC and drag them into the free spaces in the AxioLine F on the left side. In the next step, the IODD of the power supply can be imported. Choose File, Import, and import IODD files. Now choose the IODD file you extracted out of the zip file some minutes ago and open it. Now the IODD is imported into PLCnext Engineer. You can find it under Network and Local in the component library of your local device on the right-hand side. The IODD must be connected to the IOLink master, in this case AXL SE IOL4. Click on the power supply and drag it into the AXL SE IOL4. Let's have a look on the possible configuration parameters. Click on the power supply. Then click on Event Settings. Here you can enable which event can be shown. The next menu changes the signal thresholds. After that, the notification from the relay can be enabled or disabled. The output data can change different output settings. For example, we change the output voltage from 24 volts to 28 volts. You have even more parameters you are able to configure. You will find a detailed list of all configuration and accessible data in the product user manuals.